Dear students, please open your textbook before you start listening. Underline important lines and mark difficult words. Happy listening and happy learning by Rana Admane. Thank you. Page number 32. What does 10H2O signify? Does it make Na2CO3 wet? We will address this question in the next section. Sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate are useful chemicals for many industrial processes as well. Uses of washing soda. Sodium carbonate washing soda is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in the manufacture of sodium compound such as borax. Sodium carbonate can be used as a cleaning agent for domestic purposes. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water. 2.4.4 Are the crystals of salty salts really dry? Activity 2.15 Heat a few crystals of copper sulfate in a dry boiling tube. What is the color of the copper sulfate after heating? Do you notice water droplets in the boiling tube? Where have these come from? 8 to 3 drops of water on the sample of copper sulfate obtained after heating. What do you observe? Is the blue color of copper sulfate restored? Figure 2.9 Removing water of crystallization. Copper sulfate crystal, which seem to be dry, contain water of crystallization. When we heat the crystals, this water is removed and the salt turns white. If you moisten the crystals again with water, you will find that blue color of the crystals reappears. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecule present in one formula unit of a salt. 5 water molecules are present in one sulfate is CuSO4 5H2O. How you would be able to answer the question whether the molecule of Na2CO3 dot 10H2O is wet on other salt which possess water of crystallization is gypsum. It has 2 water molecules as water of crystallization. It has the chemical formula CaSO4 dot twice H2O. Let us look into the use of this salt. Plaster of Paris. On heating gypsum at 373 K, it loses water molecules and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate. CaSO4 dot half H2O 1 by 2 H2O. This is called plaster of Paris. Thank you. Page number 33. The substance which doctors use as plaster for supporting fractured bone in the right position. Plaster of Paris is a white powder and on mixing with water it changes to gypsum, once again giving a hard solid mass. CaSO4 dot 1 by 2 H2O plus 1 by 2 H2O is equal to CaSO4 dot twice H2O, that is gypsum. Note that only half a water molecule is shown to be attached as water of crystallization. How can you get half a water molecule? It is written in this form because 2 formula units of CaSO4 share 1 molecule of water. Plaster of Paris is used for making toys, materials for decoration and for making surfaces smooth. Try to find out why is calcium sulfate hemihydrate called plaster of Paris. Now question came. Question number 1. What is the common name of the compound CaOCl2? Question 2. Name the substance which on treatment with chlorine yields bleaching powder. Number 3. Name the sodium compound which is used for softening hard water. Question 4. What will happen if a solution of sodium hydrocarbonate is heated? Give the equation of the reaction involved. Question 5. Write an equation to show the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. In this chapter, what you have learned is now summarized into points. Now here we go. What you have learned. 1. Acid-base indicators are dyes or mixtures of dyes which are used to indicate the presence of acids and bases. Acidic nature of a substance is due to the formation of H plus ions in solution. Formation of OH minus ions in solution is responsible for the basic nature of a substance. When an acid reacts with a metal, hydrogen gas is evolved and a corresponding salt is formed. When a base reacts with a metal, along with the evolution of hydrogen gas, a salt is formed, which has a negative ion composed of the metal and oxygen. When an acid reacts with a metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, it gives the corresponding salt, carbon dioxide gas and water. Acidic and basic solution in water conduct electricity because they produce hydrogen and hydroxide ions respectively. Page number 34. The strength of an acid or an alkali can be tested by using a scale called the pH scale 0 to 14, which gives the measure of hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. A neutral solution has a pH of exactly 7, while an acidic solution has a pH less than 7 and a basic solution a pH more than 7. Living beings carry out their metabolic activities within an optimal pH range. Mixing concentrated acids or bases with water is a highly exothermic process. Acids and bases neutralize each other to form corresponding salts and water. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. Salts have various uses in everyday life and in industries. Now exercise of chapter number 2. Exercise. Question number 1. A solution turns red litmus blue. Its pH is likely to be A 1, B 4, C 5, D 10. Question 2. A solution reacts with crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains A NaCl, B HCl, C LiCl, D KCl. 10 ml of a solution of NaOH is found to be completely neutralized by 8 ml of a given solution of HCl. If we take 20 ml of the same solution of NaOH, the amount HCl solution, the same solution as before, required to neutralize it will be A 4 ml, B 8 ml, C 12 ml, D 16 ml. Question 4. Which one of the following types of medicines is used for treating indigestion? A. Antibiotic, B. Analgesic, C. Antacid, D. Antiseptic. Question 4. 5. Write word equation and then balanced equation for the reaction taking place when A. Dilute sulfuric acid react with zinc granules. B. Dilute hydrochloric acid react with magnesium ribbon. C. Dilute sulfuric acid react with aluminium powder. D. Dilute hydrochloric acid react with iron fillings. Question number 6. Compounds such as alcohol and glucose also contain hydrogen but are not categorized as acids. Describe an activity to prove it. Question 7. Why does distilled water not conduct electricity, whereas rainwater does? Page number 35. Question number 8. Why do acids not show acidic behavior in the present absence of water? Question 9. Pi solutions A, B, C, D and E when tested with universal indicator showed pH as 4, 1, 11, 7 and 9 respectively. Which solution is A. Neutral, B. Strongly alkaline, C. Strongly acidic, D. Weakly acidic, E. Weakly alkaline. Arrange the pH in increasing order of hydrogen ion concentration. Question number 10. Equal length of magnesium ribbons are taken in test tubes A and B. Hydrochloric acid HCl is added to test tube A, while acetic acid CH3COOH is added to test tube B. Amount and concentration taken for both the acids are same, in which test tube will be fizzling occur more vigorously and why. Question 11. Fresh milk has a pH of 6. How do you think the pH will change as it turns into curd? Explain your answer. Question 12. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. A. Why does he shift the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? B. Why does this milk take a long time to set as curd? Question number 13. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container. Explain why. 14. What is a neutralization reaction? Give two examples. Question 15. Give two important uses of washing soda and baking soda. Group activity. 1. Prepare your own indicator. Crush beetroot in a mortar. Add sufficient water to obtain the extract. Filter the extract by the procedure learned by you in earlier classes. Collect the filtrate to test the substances you may have tested earlier. Arrange 4 test tubes in a test tube stand and label them as A, B, C and D. Pour 2 ml each of lemon juice solution, soda water, vinegar and baking soda solution in them respectively. Put 2-3 drops of the beetroot extract in each test tube and note the color change if any. Write your observation in a table. You can prepare indicator by using other natural materials like extracts of red cabbage leaves, colored petals of some flower such as petunia, hydrangea and geranium. Page number 36. Preparing a soda acid fire extinguisher. The reaction of acid with metal hydrogen carbonate is used in the fire extinguishers which produce carbon dioxide. Take 20 ml of sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3 solution in a wash bottle. Suspend an ignition tube containing dilute sulfuric acid in the wash bottle. Figure 2.10. Close the mouth of the wash bottle. Tilt the wash bottle so that the acid from the ignition tube mixes with the sodium hydrogen carbonate solutions below. You will notice discharge coming out of the nozzle. Direct this discharge on a burning candle. What happens? Figure 2.10. Ignition tube containing dilute sulfuric acid suspended in a wash bottle containing sodium hydrogen carbonate. B. Discharge coming out of the nozzle. Thank you, students. Please listen twice for better understanding. Hope you like the video and subscribe for upcoming videos.